Hello, how's everyone doing? Um, so here I'm just gonna show you guys how to do a cash secured put and to do a covered call on IBKR. So yeah, the first thing you want to do, you're gonna be in the home page, all that good stuff. You want to click down here on the portfolio. So you see your stuff, or you can just search from the very beginning. But as you can see, I have a Snap. I have 100 shares of Snapchat right there, and then I have a covered call on it. But if I wanted to do a cash secured put, I would need more capital. See, I don't have enough capital on here. See, the 650 call, so I'm going to need about 650 to do it. But for the cash secured put, this is how you do it. All you have to do is click on Snap, on the ticker symbol that you want. Click on it again, or once again, we could just search Snap. You want to click on it, and then you want to click right here where it says options. Boom. And then we usually go 30 to 45 days out. So you see right here, June 12th, that's only 3 days out. I'm going to go scroll. We'll say 45 days out. So now July 24th. The strike price is right in the middle. Let it load. So the strike price is right here in the middle. And then you got the calls and the puts. So if you're going to do a cash secured put, you want to stay on this side. And you're going to want to do, you're going to want to do the bid right here. The ask, that's for buying. The bid is for selling. So right now we can see, so we're going to do a cash secured put. The current price is $5.64. So you're going to have to pick a price lower than that. So the next one is a $5 put. Let's just do that for an example. So I'm going to click on the 14. You see how it says sell, 24 July 24th, $5 put. You want to make sure it says sell put. If you click on this side, let me unclick the leg. If you click just this side, see how it says buy a call. You don't want to buy a call when you're doing a cash secured put. You want to sell a call. And pretty much what we do here is we sell options. So yep, you want to click on boom, and you see the bid, right? And if you see the last, that was the last price that somebody bought it for. So you might get filled at that price, but the current price right now, but the market's closed, is 14. So once you pick what you like, you don't want to click, you could click on this one. Oh, let me clear this. Yeah, you just want to click one square at a time. You don't want to do two, because that'll create two legs. You don't want that. So yeah, see right here, right there, boom, the last. So we're gonna click the first one. So right here, the credit, since it says, yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, that's how much they would pay us. The credit is the premium that we're gonna get. If you see 0.14, you multiply that by 100, so that's $14. That's the premium that you'd receive. So once you find what you like, you click order. All this information is going to pop up, which you don't need it. You can just get rid of the performance details, the drop down. So now it says your buying power, position, quantity 1. The order type, I do a market order that will fill you in right where it's at, no matter where it's at. But you can do a limit. You can, since it's 0.23, you can try right here 0.20, 0.20, like that. You can try 0.30 to maybe get a better fill, but there's no guarantee if you go up that high, So I usually just do market and just let the chips fall where they may. Market order. I do good till canceled, so it expires whenever. It's not going to expire today, Up to you. Boom. And then when you're ready, you just click slide to sell. Boom. I don't have the buying power for it, so it's not going to allow me to do it. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do a cash secured put. And then, so let's get out of that. And then if you wanted to do a covered call, you would already have to have 100 shares of the stock. So and then you would just click on the other side. Let me see. Oh, so you see right here on the bid, you have to see the bid. See how it's blank right here? And then it's blank right there. You can't do anything there, so we're gonna have to move. So covered call is more on the higher, so you're gonna have to go higher than 564. So let's get rid of that, and let's go up here. You see right here. So now I'm going to sell a call. That's a covered call. And then that is paying me 22 because the last is 22 cents per contract. So that's how much they were paying me with that. This is where it's at right now, but that's the last price. So I could probably get filled there too. So boom, you always want to click sell. I want to reiterate that. You want to either click sell a put or you want to sell the call for the covered call. You never want to hit the ask for, when you're selling. So then, boom, you go through the same motions. You'll click order. You'll click, I do market. You can do limit. Good till canceled. And boom. You don't need any of these other things. The attach order details. I don't ever touch any of that. And then, boom, you slide to sell. And that's how you sell a covered call and do a cash secured put. And just one quick example for the track my options. If you're with PK and also you're joining us, welcome. So yeah, so what you want to do is you want to go to the top right here. Boom. Click, and you want to do opportunities every day at 10 a.m. The opportunity scanner shows up. So you want to click on opportunities. It'll be loaded already. You want to see here June 8th. That's the today's date. And then you want to look at legendary, epic, or rare. You don't want to look at anything solid. You could filter by grade. Right now I don't have any filter of any grade. But you could filter with all these things by just clicking it. See? Boom. It's like that. So I'm going to go only A grade. Actually, I'm going to get out of that because those are expensive right now. So I'm going to go right here. We're going to try open door, see, because it's cheap. But, you want more of an A grade or a B grade or something better, And annual ROI is nice, 30%, so that's cool. So once you see something that you like, you want to click on it, and you see 350 put. So it's a cash secured put. They're all cash secured puts. And then July 10th. So you want to come over here, see the credit 9, 32 days, whatever. So you want to go over to IBKR now, right? You want to go back. You want to search, open door, search up the ticker. Boom. All right. And then once again, go to options. Go back to see what his July 10th. So go to July 10th. Come back over here. Once again, 31 days out, July 10th. I want to click on it. He said 350 put. Well, the scanner saying 350. So we want to go to 350, the strike price. Boom. Want to sell a put right there. Sell one, July 10th, 3.5 put. That's how much it's paying. That's how much it was paying last. And then, yep, boom, you'd go through the motions. Boom. Sell, boom. And then once you're all set with that, you can go back to your portfolio. And if you're doing a cover call, she'll say something like that right here. See? The last price. Gain. The position -1 because, you're selling one contract. Cost basis is how much you paid for the thing in total, your position. And then that's the realized loss, gain, P&L. Gain or loss. And once we get to about 80%, you can close it out. You can wait for it to expire worthless, whatever. But 80% is usually what we do. So yeah, guys, that's how we do it. Everybody have a great day.